The UK industry will play a critical role in the new Global Combat Air Programme, which will deliver the next phase of combat air fighter jet development. The UK's sovereign industry partners, working together as Team Tempest, will assist the momentous project that the governments of the UK, Japan, and Italy announce. The three countries will create a truly international program with a shared goal to create a new Global Combat Air Programme (GCAP). The security of the United Kingdom, both today and for future generations, will always be of paramount importance to this government. That's why we need to stay at the cutting edge of advancements in defense technology, outpacing and outmaneuvering those who seek to do us harm, said Rishi Sunak, Prime Minister UK. The international partnership we have announced today with Italy and Japan aims to do just that, underlining that the security of the Euro-Atlantic and Indo-Pacific regions are indivisible. The next generation of combat aircraft we design will protect us and our allies around the world by harnessing the strength of our world-beating defense industry, creating jobs while saving lives, he further added. The joint announcement demonstrates the tight governmental, military, and economic ties between the countries and strengthens the UK's commitment to future air combat on a global scale. The project will build on the significant advancements made in the UK by BAE Systems, Leonardo UK, MBDA UK, Rolls-Royce, and the UK Ministry of Defence, who have been cooperating since 2018 under the name Team Tempest to research, evaluate, and develop a variety of next-generation future combat air systems capabilities. We welcome today's announcement and the positive momentum we are building with our partners in Japan and Italy towards developing power and propulsion technology for the next generation fighter aircraft. In December 2021 we announced a target to jointly design, build and test an engine demonstrator. This work is progressing well and on track to deliver. Today's announcement reinforces the strong and long-standing relationships we value with both Italy and Japan, and I look forward to us deepening that collaboration through this program, said Alex Zeno, Executive Vice President, Business Development and Future Programs, Rolls-Royce Defence. The £6 billion combat air industry in the UK contributes significantly to economic and social value in addition to supporting national defence and security. Thousands of jobs in the UK may be preserved or created thanks to the Global Combat Air Programme, while important combat air engineering expertise would be preserved for a further generation. According to a PricewaterhouseCoopers analysis from last year, if the UK were to play a key part in the development of next-generation fighter jets, it could support 21,000 employment annually and contribute an estimated £26.2 billion to the economy by the year 2050. The launch of the Global Combat Air Programme firmly positions the UK, alongside Japan and Italy, as leaders in the design, development and production of next-generation combat air capability. With our UK industry partners, we look forward to strengthening our ties with Japanese and Italian industries as we work together to deliver this program of huge importance to our global defence and security. The agreement with Japan and Italy is fundamental to meeting the goals set out in the UK Combat Air Strategy and is set to create and sustain thousands of high-value jobs and benefit hundreds of companies across the UK, contributing to long-term economic prosperity and safeguarding sovereign combat air capability for generations to come, said Charles Woodburn, Chief Executive BAE Systems. Around 2,500 employees in the UK are already employed by Team Tempest and other organisations to work on the programme. In addition to the Team Tempest partners, more than 580 organisations in the UK have already signed contracts, including 26 academic institutions and 91 SMEs. Since the project's inception in 2018, the Team Tempest partners have hired more than 1,000 apprentices and graduates, with young people all around the country motivated by the chance to participate in a once-in-a-generation combat air program. The emergence of a single international program, backed by three governments, represents a major point of maturity for our shared combat air vision and a strong vote of confidence in the readiness of industry to deliver the program. At Leonardo, we are privileged to be a core part of this endeavor. The future aircraft's integrated sensing, non-kinetic effects and integrated communications will be at the heart of the system's capability, ensuring that our armed forces can effectively respond to the threats of the future. We look forward to working with our international colleagues to deliver this critical capability, said Mark Hamilton, Managing Director Electronics UK, Leonardo. With their colleagues in Italy and Japan, the UK industry partners have already established solid working connections that will carry over into future collaborative development. In Japan, these include IHI Corporation, Mitsubishi Electric, and Mitsubishi Heavy Industries, whereas, in Italy, these are Avio Aero, Elettronica, and Leonardo. Today's announcement is a significant step in the internationalization of the Combat Air System program, which will drive a step change in future capability and help sustain and develop critical skills across the defense industry. MBDA was founded on the principle of nations working together to deliver sovereign capability, leveraging innovation and driving economic benefits. We have a proud history of collaboration with Italy, and welcome the opportunity to strengthen our relationship with Japan. We will work with multinational industrial partners to enable seamless integration, rapid evolution and effector networking to make any platform, any sensor, any effector a reality, said Chris Allam, MBDA Executive Group Director Engineering and Managing Director UK. Japan's new security strategy allows it a bigger strike capability, and it hopes to expand joint exercises in Australia, including firing drills that are difficult to conduct at home, Japanese Defense Ministry officials said. Japan's Defense Ministry said the new aircraft will be a multi-role stealth fighter superior to the F-35 and the Eurofighter, with advanced sensors and networking. The warplane is expected to replace 94 F-2s in Japan, 144 Eurofighters in the UK and 94 Eurofighters in Italy, Japanese officials said.